So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we'll learn about transpiration and stomata. So ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. We've discussed about transpiration in a previous video. So in this video, we'll learn a little more about the stomata as well as factors that affect the rate of transpiration. So the transpiration rate is affected by four main things. Number one is light intensity. And of course, the brighter the light, the greater the transpiration rate. So the stomata begins to close as it gets darker. Since photosynthesis does not happen in the dark, there is no need to be open for carbon dioxide to enter. Hence, when the stomata is closed, only a very little water can escape. Number two is temperature. So the warmer it is, the faster the transpiration occurs. This is because when it is warm, the water particles have more energy to evaporate and diffuse out of the stomata. Number three is airflow. The greater the airflow around the leaf, the higher the transpiration rate. If airflow around a leaf is poor, water vapor will surround the leaf and not move away. Hence, the concentration of water around the leaf will be greater than the concentration of water in the leaf. So, water can no longer diffuse from the leaf to the surrounding environment. But if airflow is high, the water vapor will always be swept away, maintaining a low concentration of water outside the leaf. So, water can freely diffuse from the leaf to the external environment. And the last one is humidity. So as you can tell, the drier the air around the leaf, the faster the rate of diffusion. Since if the air is dry, there will be less water concentration around the leaf, so water would tend to diffuse from the leaf to the external environment. But if the air is humid, there is a lot of water in it already, and this will not favor diffusion of water from the leaf to the external environment. You can estimate the rate of transpiration in a plant by measuring the rate of water uptake by the plant. This is because we assume that the rate at which a plant takes up water is equivalent to the rate at which water is lost by the leaves. So you can set up the apparatus as shown in this diagram, and then you record the starting position of the air bubble. Then start a stopwatch and record the position moved by the air bubble per unit time. For instance, you can record per hour. Also ensure to keep other conditions constant, such as the temperature and the humidity of the environment. So that's it, guys. And before we wrap up this lesson, let us consider how the guard cells are adapted for the closing and opening of the stomata. When the plant has lots of water, the guard cells are filled and become plump and turgid. This makes the stomata open, and then gases can be exchanged for photosynthesis. On the other hand, when the plant is short of water, the guard cells lose water and then become flaccid or shrink. This makes the stomata to close and then stop the plant from losing more water vapor. They are also sensitive to light and close at night in order to save water without losing out on photosynthesis. So you'll likely find more stomata on the lower surface of the leaf than on top, since the lower surface is shaded and cooler. So with that, less water is lost from the stomata than if they were on the top surface. Guard cells are therefore adapted for gas exchange and controlling of water loss from the leaves. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.